Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Whether you're a beginning gardener or a seasoned pro, today's video is all about fast-growing flowers that are perfect for adding color and life to your garden in no time. These beauties require minimal maintenance, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the blooms. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Now, let's jump right in. Sunflowers. First up, sunflowers. These cheerful giants are super easy to grow and bring sunny vibes to any garden. Their bright yellow, red, and orange blooms never fail to brighten up your space. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are vibrant and colorful with their jewel-toned blooms in shades of red, orange, and yellow. They're perfect for adding a splash of color to salads with their mildly spicy mustard-like flavor. Marigolds. You can't go wrong with marigolds. They bloom in vibrant shades of yellow, orange, and red. Not only do they look great, but they also keep pests at bay and attract beneficial insects to your garden. Zinnias. If you love bold and bright colors, zinnias are your go-to flowers. Their pink, purple, red, and yellow blooms are a magnet for butterflies. Plant them in full sun and watch your garden come alive. Cosmos. Cosmos bring daisy-like charm to your garden with their delicate pink, white, and red blooms. They're low maintenance and perfect for beginner gardeners who want to make a statement. Bachelor's buttons. Bachelor's buttons add a touch of elegance with their delicate blue or pink blooms. Not only do they make lovely cut flowers, but they also attract bees and butterflies, perfect for a thriving garden ecosystem. Alyssum. Alyssum produces clusters of small fragrant flowers in shades of white, pink, and purple. Use them as ground cover or in hanging baskets for a beautiful cascading effect. Poppy. Poppies are showstoppers with their large blooms in red, pink, and white. They can self-seed, so you'll enjoy more blooms year after year. Sweet pea. Sweet peas bring fragrant blooms in pink, purple, and white. Though they require a little extra attention, their stunning blooms are totally worth the effort. Snapdragon. Snapdragons come in a variety of bright colors and produce tall spikes of blooms. They attract hummingbirds to your garden for a delightful touch. California poppy. California poppies produce delicate orange or yellow blooms that are drought-tolerant and easy to grow, perfect for hot, dry climates. Clarkia. Clarkia impresses with its delicate, frilly blooms in pink, purple, and white. Use them in cut flower arrangements for an extra touch of beauty. Baby's breath. Baby's breath is known for its delicate white or pink blooms, perfect as a filler in cut flower arrangements. It adds a touch of elegance to your garden. Rudbeckia. Black-eyed Susan or Rudbeckia produces yellow or orange blooms with dark centers. They're easy to grow and attract bees and butterflies for a lively garden. 4 o'clocks. 4 o'clocks bloom in the late afternoon, showing off their trumpet-shaped flowers in pink, white, and yellow. They add a burst of color to your garden as the day winds down. Morning Glory. Morning Glory is perfect for vertical gardening. These fast-growing flowers produce trumpet-shaped blooms in blue, purple, and pink. Let them climb up trellises or walls for a stunning display. Borage. Borage produces small blue or pink flowers that are edible and have a cucumber-like flavor. They can self-seed and produce even more blooms each year. Pansy. Pansies bring cheerful, colorful blooms in shades of purple, yellow, and white. They're great for container gardening or as a border in your garden. Tithonia. Also known as Mexican sunflowers, Tithonia boasts large orange or red blooms that attract bees and butterflies, a perfect choice for a vibrant garden. Larkspur. Larkspur creates tall spikes of delicate blooms in blue, purple, pink, and white. They're great for cut flower arrangements and add height to your garden. Petunia. Last but not least, petunias. These beauties are super easy to look after and can be grown in small spaces like hanging baskets, a perfect choice for any gardener. And there you have it, a rundown of fast-growing flowers that will add a splash of color and charm to your garden in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!